Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? All right, back with another video. This video right here is for international money maker. All right, you're actually going to make money without even selling anything. All right, this opportunity is 100% free. All right, like I said, people, it's free online money maker. This is what I do. I find the best ways online to earn income, right? I look for the best ways to earn income, right? At the lowest threshold. All right. So I always do this to look out my team to make sure that we all have different ways that we can eat. All right. So I'm always looking for something, All right. So live life wise, we're starting to upgrade now. As you can see, we're starting to upgrade. We're getting into paid programs. All right. We're getting into paid programs, paid products. Usually every product that I buy, I usually buy the rights to resell. So it's usually called a reseller product that you're buying, you're basically buying a digital reseller product. All right, super late right here. Super late right here, 7:30. All right, so like I said, people, when I do these videos, I just do them. I don't really like map anything out. I just do these videos for y'all real quick, as fast as I can, and just show y'all guys proof, facts, results. All right, people. So right here, the first step, all right, is gonna be step by step. Right now, I'm in my back office. All right, and I know you probably just was reading this while I was talking. All right, so you have to understand, all right? These are big time gurus that are making this money, all right? Why? Because they're putting everything to use. We can't put this is the stuff they don't tell you. We can't put everything to use because we don't have the money that they got right now. Now, I'm not talking about you got to spend thousands of dollars. Obviously, if you did that, you're going to be on a different level faster, right? But us, you know how we coming. We're making our money. We're getting money from here. We got a little multiple streams of income. So we're pulling money from here. We're stacking it up, right? And getting ready to make a power move, right? So what I'm doing is dissecting everything, all right? Like when I'm getting into these paid programs, I'm seeing like, all right, basically the number one question is where to get the traffic, all right? 99% of online marketers are not going to tell you where to get their traffic from, right? Now, me, I'm going to be different. Once I crack this code and find out where this traffic is coming from, find out which is one of the best top 3 offers to offer, and then start really finding and then really start putting money all into that traffic source, people, it's gonna blow. All right, that's all you got to do. The only reason people don't really make money on a lot more people don't make money online is because they don't want to go through that process. See what I'm saying? Who wants to keep spending $300? Oh, this ad traffic don't work. Spend another $400 on a different type of ad source, right? All right, that might work. All right, so you double down on that. All right, now you're making some money. You see what I'm saying? Now this source worked right here. This source for you getting leads and stuff like that. You could be on Udemy. All right. You could be on my lead gen secret. All right. So there's so many different ways on different traffic sources that you can use. All right. I'm gonna go into the different traffic sources. So the only thing is I'm dissecting them. So I'm putting money into them to make sure that they work. You see what I'm saying? These traffic sources. So once these traffic sources start working, I start making some income. I'm gonna double down on that. But you're never supposed to have one traffic source. You're supposed to have multiple streams of traffic sources. You kind of get it? You get multiple streams of income with your products. You get different products, right? And then you have to have different traffic sources, all right? You never rely on one traffic source the same way you never rely on one multiple stream of income, right? On one stream of income. You always want it to be multiple, all right? So this is what I'm doing. I'm dissecting. Once I find out the right traffic source, we're going to be making some money. Now, once we start making some money, right, I'm going to find another traffic source. See what I'm saying? Now we making some money. I'm going to find another traffic source. So you got to just keep doing that until next thing you know, you look, you're like, all right, I got 7 traffic sources all going simultaneously at the same time every single day, 24/7. I got these 7 traffic sources going. How do you do that? Because the income that I'm making in, I reinvest. Instead of just taking all the income and just, saving it and partying or whatever, I'm not doing that. I'm taking it. I'll invest. I'll probably take 50% of whatever I make and invest that back into trying to find the right traffic source. I'm gonna keep doing this week by week, day by day, month by month, whatever, how long it takes until I find it. Once I find it, it's over. Once you find it, it's over. Now you can once I find it, it's over to the point where now you can take 9 to 5 money. You can take whatever money that you get to put into it because you know what you're doing. You see what I'm saying? So my bad for that long intro. I'm just really trying to get you guys to understand what I'm doing on an every single day basis. All you have to do is find the right traffic source and it's over. All right, it's it. But while you're doing that, you're still supposed to build organically. supposed to build organically, build free ways. You gotta build, post free ways, because these you, every day you get a couple of people. Every day you get a couple of people. Keep building. Wow, you got your paid traffic going. While you're posting, while you're getting free organic traffic. All this goes together. I'm telling you, people. All right, this is what these guys are doing. They don't tell you all. They don't tell you you have to have multiple streams of traffic. They don't tell you that. They don't tell you you're gonna have like 7 different streams of traffic, and it's gotta be going, and they all gotta be converting. You don't even know if they convert yet, right? Because you have to try it out to see if it works. You know what I'm saying? So that's why people are not, a lot more people are not successful. All right. Excuse me for that little 5-minute intro. All right, look. Make money online without even having to sell a product. All right, you're gonna get $1 for every person that signs up under your link. All right, I repeat that. You're gonna get $1 for every person that signs up under your link. All right, your first step you're gonna do is go to livelifewiser.com/wealth. All right, livelifewiser.com/wealth. The link is gonna be in the description. All right, look, all you gotta do, you're gonna come here now. Once you go to livelifewiser.com/wealth, it's gonna take you to a screen like this. All right, all you gotta do is put your email in. All right, once you put your email in, all right, you're gonna have to go back into your email, confirm, open it up, right? Once you open it up and all that, you're gonna get access to you're gonna get access to here. All right, you're gonna have a backstage. All right, this is gonna be your backstage, back office. It's gonna be a back office right here. All right, see how I got my referrals right here. You're gonna be able to join a Facebook community where people are talking about everything that's going on, right? So you're gonna be able to join right now. This is how you create multiple streams of income. All right. Once you go to livelifewiser.com/wealth, once you put your email in there, you're automatically gonna be a Profits Passport member. Now, a Profits Passport member is free. It's free to be a member. All right. It's free to be a member. So once you're a member, you're gonna that's step 1. You're gonna just become a member. Step 1. It's gonna bring you to this page right here. All right. So now once you're in this page right here, you're gonna watch this video right here, 1 hour video. 1 hour, 5-minute video. Like, this is why I love this system. This guy really explains everything. This is why I love. Don't be discouraged when you see long videos like this. You want a long video because you want, I mean, somebody's literally explaining everything, like little by little. They're literally explaining every little detail. You want that. You want long videos. All right. You want that. You're going to learn more. All right, people. And this is 100% free. This is a gold mine, international moneymaker. All right. Top tier international money maker. Top tier 1. Tier 1 means USA, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and there's one more, UK, United Kingdom. All right, those top 5 countries. All right, you can use this. You can use this for. All right. Now, everybody else internationally, you would have to be on a paid program in order to make money. You would have to be enrolled in a paid program. I'll show you that later in this video or later in the next video. All right, I'll show you how you get into the paid programs. But right now, we're going to just focus on how to get paid without even selling a product. Every time somebody signs up under your link and they register, they fully register, you're going to get $1 for every email lead. Why? Because his name's David that has this, this course right here, this program. He makes so much money off of each email that he has. He makes at least like $10, $20, $30 on each email that he gets over time. So he doesn't mind paying you $1 for an email because he knows over time by him promoting to them, they're gonna buy something because he's so good at what he's doing and he has so many different programs and some of them are so easy like this one. It's just a no-brainer that people are going to sign up, people are going to buy stuff later on. So he doesn't mind giving us $1 for every lead that we get him, all right? So, all right, so watch this video, people. Watch this video, all right? So now I'm going to scroll down here. Now you're already a member. Now you have 6 income streams, all right? Let me just scroll down real quick. You got 1 right here. You got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, now I'm going to explain everything, all right? Now, and it also gives you a traffic checklist, all right? Now I'm going to give you everything, all right? Now, that traffic checklist, this is why I want you guys to sign up to this. He tells you where to get the traffic. All right, this is why I like this guy. He tells you where to get the traffic. It works, and it works. All right, I got a lot of people signing up. That's how I got a lot of signups to my couple of other offers that I have. All right, it does work. All right, I didn't get any sales yet, but it does work. I got 1 sale. I got 2 sales. 2 sales. I just got another sale the other day. I'm gonna do a video about that tonight. So like I said, you're gonna it's all income streams, and he tells you the traffic, where to get the traffic from and how to get the traffic. All right, this is why it's very important to watch this, people. He tells you how to get the traffic, and the traffic, it works, because I see a lot of people signing up. So I just ran out of money to keep putting in there. So I know once I could continue have a nice steady stream, it's going to be something beautiful. All right, so that's what I like about that. All right, your first income stream is going to be Easy One Up. All right, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Easy One Up. You're going to sign up and create an account. It's free. Every account here is free to sign up. So you sign up, you create an account. Once you create an account, you get your affiliate link and you put it right here. The link is already here. So all you got to do is put after the equal sign. All right, all you got to do is once you go in the back office, you're going to get your link. All right, just like this. You see how I got my link right here? See how I got my link? All right, but this is going to be Easy One Up. This is not for this. All right, so make sure you go to income stream, sign up here. It's going to take you to Easy One Up. Sign up to Easy One Up. All right, use this link right here. There's going to be a link right here. You're going to click that link to sign up to Easy One Up. It's going to be my link that you're clicking on. Sign up to Easy One Up. Once you sign up to Easy One Up, you're going to take your link, and you're going to put it in here, because your screen is going to look a little different. Once you get into your back office, it's going to look different. Once you get in your back office, my link is going to be right here for you to be able to click. Right, and then you're going to be able to have this empty box right here that you could put your unique code right here, and you press save and update. All right, that's Easy One Up. All right, income stream number 2, you're going to do the same exact thing, but right here, this is Funnel X Advanced. This is the opportunity where you can make $1. You can make $1 for every person that signs up under you. All right, I'm gonna show you everything that you have to do step by step to get this. All right, to do it and to have it flowing. All right. One thing is, all right, you have to sign up to these in order. They're free. So just sign up to this, right? Put your thing or because the thing is, once you sign up to everything, these 6 income streams, and once you send your link out, once somebody signs up under you, they're going to be able to sign up under you under all 6 income streams. You get it? So once you send your link to somebody, they're going to look like, oh, okay. Then they're going to have the ability, because your link's already going to be in there set up. So they're gonna be like, oh, okay. So now this is the steps I gotta take. So now they're gonna click that link, sign up, and they're gonna be under you, under all 6 income streams. All right. Even if you don't have no money to put in, it's okay, because you're getting the $1. You're getting the $1 every time. That's fine. And then these are free to set up. So you set them up for free, and then you save your money. You go on free online money maker. You make some money. You got 9 to 5. You save a little bit of money there. Whatever you're doing, you got a little hustle. You got your side income streams offline, whatever you do, save your money little by little. And when you're ready, you come in here and you buy different packs. You can start for every level, $25 levels to $2,000 levels. All right. Now me on Easy One Up, I got the $1,000 level. I'm a Vertex Pro member. All right. It costs $1,100. So I'm at $1,000 member. So now I could resell for $1,000. So I get $1,000 commissions. So whatever you put in is what you're going to get out. So if you start at $25 level, you're going to get $25 commissions for Easy One Up. If you start at $1,000, you're going to get $1,000 commissions. All right. And you're going to get everything under that. You're going to get all the levels under that. All right. Like I said, once you get in here and watch these videos, take your time, people. These are free opportunities. All right. But they're paid opportunities. But later on, you could, you can start free, and then later on you could pay. And it's amazing, because now you can build your list. All right. So now right here, income stream number 2 is going to be Funnel X Advanced. Now, when you go to Funnel X Advanced, once you click my link for Funnel X Advanced, all right, it's going to go to, remember, you have to do these in order for you to get the multiple streams of income, in order for you to get the $1 a day. You have to do these in order. Go to livelifewiser.com/wealth. First step. You're going to sign up under all 6 income streams. It's free to sign up. Every time you click here and you click my link, you're going to sign up. My link's going to be right here on your screen. My screen is different. On your screen, my link's going to be right here. You're going to click that link, go in and watch the video. They're going to teach you they're going to teach you what they're doing. Sign up, right? Now sign up, come back here and put a unique code in here, in all 6 of them. So when you share your link, somebody else signs up. They're going to sign up under all 6 income streams under you, the same way you're signing up under me. All right. So it's the same thing, people. It's the same thing. You have to do this in order to get the $1 every day. All right. Just sign up to all 6 income streams. Now, some of them, I think this one, you might have to, this one, you have to pay. So if you have to pay, you don't have to sign up for it. Don't sign up. If you don't want to pay, don't sign up for it yet. Just wait. But look, there's another traffic source right here, Ringless. It's crazy. This is working too. People are getting sales off it. It's crazy. All right. So look, so once you click here, Funnel X, this is where you get the $1. All right. It's going to take you to a site like this. And like I said, I'm going to have a different video that gets real in detail. This is just the first step, because I just want to explain everything to you. All right. So the next video, my next video I'm going to post in a couple hours, I'm going to show you everything in detail as far as the $1 Remember, it's for USA, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, UK. All right? Free online moneymaker signing out.